If you want to be rich and successful in 60 days' time, start practicing these 8 habits every morning. Let's talk about success and wealth. It isn't an overnight phenomenon, or is it? See, the catch is in our daily routines. How we start our day can significantly impact the rest of it, even our lives. Becoming wealthy and successful in just 60 days sounds like a tall order, right? Well, not if you're willing to adopt some powerful morning habits designed to fast-track your journey. Here's the kicker. You need to practice these 8 habits every single morning without fail. The good news is that they're simple enough for anyone to incorporate into their routine. Let's get started. 1. Early riser. Let's face it, we all love the allure of the snooze button. But what if I told you that waking up early might be your ticket to wealth and success? It's not about torturing yourself with an early alarm. It's all about maximizing your productivity and starting your day right. Think about the world's most successful entrepreneurs and leaders. Many of them are early birds, rising before the sun to plan their day, learn something new, or simply enjoy a quiet moment before the hustle and bustle of the day starts. Waking up early provides you with a head start to seize the day. It gives you time to focus on your goals, strategize, and prepare yourself for the challenges ahead. Remember, time is money. And by waking up early, you're literally buying yourself more time to create wealth and success. Make it a habit to rise early each morning. It could be your first step towards achieving big in just 60 days. 2. Mindful meditation. You might be wondering, how does meditation fit into the wealth and success equation? Let me share a personal example. A few years ago, I was in a constant state of overwhelm. My mind was cluttered, my focus scattered, and my productivity waned. That's when I decided to introduce a morning meditation routine. Each morning, before the world wakes up and the day's chaos begins, I sit in silence. I take deep breaths, clear my mind, and visualize my goals and the steps needed to achieve them. This 15-minute morning routine has been a game changer for me. Not only did it improve my focus and clarity throughout the day, but it also allowed me to approach challenges with a calm and composed mindset. I became more productive, more motivated, and believe it or not, more successful. Meditation might seem too simple to have such profound effects, but trust me, starting your day with a clear and focused mind can set you on a path to wealth and success. And you might just see results within 60 days. 3. Physical activity. Did you know that Richard Branson, the billionaire founder of Virgin Group, credits his morning workout for giving him an extra 4 hours of productivity each day? That's right. One of the world's most successful people is a strong advocate for starting the day with some form of physical activity. Physical exercise in the morning can be a powerful catalyst for your entire day. It releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, which boost your mood and energy levels. It also helps increase your focus and mental agility. Whether it's a quick jog around the block, a yoga session, or even some simple stretches at home, make it a habit to move your body every morning. This routine could be your secret weapon in achieving wealth and success within just 60 days. Four, goal setting. Goals are like a roadmap to wealth and success. Without them, you're driving aimlessly with no clear destination in mind. Every morning, take some time to set your goals for the day. These can be big or small, related to your work, personal life, or even self-development. But don't just stop at setting goals. Visualize them. Picture yourself achieving them. Feel the sense of accomplishment that comes with crossing off that task or reaching that milestone. This practice can significantly boost your motivation and productivity. Remember, each goal you achieve is a stepping stone towards your larger dreams of wealth and success. Start setting goals every morning and watch how your life changes in 60 days. Five, expressing gratitude. In the pursuit of wealth and success, it's easy to overlook the blessings we already have in our lives. Every morning, take a moment to express gratitude. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's about appreciating the small moments, the big wins, and everything in between. It's about acknowledging the people who support and inspire us. When I began practicing gratitude each morning, I found a shift in my perspective. Instead of focusing on what I didn't have, I began appreciating what I did have. This feeling of contentment fueled my drive towards my goals, not out of desperation, but out of a desire for growth and self-improvement. By expressing gratitude each morning, you foster a positive mindset, which is essential in your journey towards wealth and success. Start this habit today and witness the transformation in just 60 days. Six, continuous learning. There was a time when I felt stuck in a rut, both professionally and personally. My progress had plateaued, and it felt like I was running in circles. That's when I decided to dedicate a part of my morning routine to learning something new. Continuous learning can be anything: reading a chapter of a book, listening to a podcast, or even watching an educational video. This simple habit opened up my mind to new ideas, perspectives, and opportunities. Now, every morning feels like an adventure, a chance to explore and grow. This newfound knowledge has not only enriched my life, but also enhanced my decision-making skills, leading to more success in my career. If you want to be rich and successful in 60 days, consider making continuous learning a part of your morning routine. It might just be the missing piece of your puzzle. Seven, nourishment. You've probably heard the saying, "You are what you eat." Well, it's not just a cliche. The food you put into your body first thing in the morning can have a significant impact on your energy levels, mood, and productivity. A nutritious breakfast fuels your body and brain for the day ahead. It kickstarts your metabolism and helps maintain focus and concentration throughout the day. Whether it's a protein-packed smoothie or a hearty bowl of oatmeal, make it a habit to start your day with a nutritious meal. This simple practice could play a crucial role in your journey towards wealth and success in just 60 days. Eight, perseverance. The road to wealth and success is often littered with obstacles and setbacks. But remember, the key to achieving any goal is persistence. Every morning, remind yourself of why you started this journey. Use any challenges as fuel to work harder towards your goals. Never lose sight of your dreams, no matter how far they seem. Keep pushing, keep striving, and above all, never give up. This resilience could be your greatest asset in becoming rich and successful in 60 days. Final thoughts. It's all about consistency. Becoming rich and successful in 60 days isn't about discovering some secret formula or winning the lottery. It's about establishing consistent habits that promote productivity, personal growth, and a positive mindset. Each morning presents a fresh start, a new opportunity to work towards your goals. The habits you choose to incorporate into your morning routine can set the tone for the rest of your day and, ultimately, your life. Take Benjamin Franklin's timeless wisdom. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. These aren't just words on a page. They represent a philosophy adopted by many successful individuals throughout history. Remember, it's not about drastic changes, but small, consistent steps towards your ultimate goal. Adopt these 8 morning habits, stay committed, and watch yourself transform into a wealthy and successful individual in just 60 days. So, as dawn breaks tomorrow, how will you choose to start your day?